my friends! I have had quite a few people ask me how I made my fabric curtain. So I thought I would make a quick little video and show you how I made it. And it's easy peasy and really pretty. And it makes me happy. Most of the time now, I'm not even putting in my window cover on that window because I feel like it gives me enough privacy at night once it's dark in here. With a little bit of tint on my windows and then the fabric there, it's pretty kind of hard to see me in here. So I've been really enjoying having this window kind of open and letting myself have a little bit of a view to the outside world. But I'm going to show you how I made it, and it's really simple and easy to do, and it brightens up your space. So let's get started. So first, you want to get yourself some upholstery tacks. These are corkscrew shaped, so they will embed themselves nicely into the fabric of your van or vehicle and not fall out. And you wind it in there. Then you take your fabric and tie it around there. This is really hard to do with one hand, by the way. So then, when I don't want them hanging down, I just kind of split them in the middle and I pull them to the side and I use one of them to wrap around the seat belt. On the other side, I gather them up and I use the end one to tie them around the handle. Like so. So yeah, easy peasy. Just some upholstery tacks, which I recommend you not opening the box on your bed, because sometimes they open and fling all over and then you find them when you least expect them in a not very comfortable way. Thank you for following along and subscribing. I hope this video helps some people, and if you make one, let me know. I would love to see yours. I love color, so you can do whatever you want. You can make yours black, you can make yours to match whatever colors you have in your van. Yeah, it makes me happy and it gives me some privacy. You know what time it is! Stay weird, friends.